Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious chicken karahi, a popular Pakistani dish. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients: chicken, tomatoes, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic, tandoori masala, salt, and a touch of oil. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating up some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces and cook them until they're browned. Then, add the chopped tomatoes, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic, tandoori masala, and salt. Stir everything together until the spices are well combined. Now, it's time to add the water. Pour enough water to cover the chicken and vegetables, and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together and create a rich, flavorful sauce. After 10 minutes, check on your chicken karahi. If the sauce is too thick, add a bit more water. If it's too thin, let it simmer for a few more minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. And there you have it, a mouth-watering chicken karahi, perfect for a cozy night in or a dinner party with friends. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it easy to follow. If you give it a try, don't forget to share your experience with us. And if you're looking for more delicious recipes, be sure to follow us and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and happy cooking.